Hello everyone, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to be going over the user group right to access the servers and services section of the settings. To start, we'll go into Settings, Users and Groups, and select the group we want to give this permission to. And then scroll on down to Rights. Within Rights we'll open up Settings, and then about midway down, we'll find Servers and Services, which opens up a little bit further to show 4 different options in here. We can add or edit media servers, single sign-on configurations, LDAP servers, and transcription servers. So you can give any or all of these permissions to your user group. For a user that has access to all 4 of these, they'll see the Servers and Services section right here. And they'll see 4 buttons along the top, which will show your current servers or services. So right now I have media server and transcription server set up. I can edit or delete these, and I can also set one as the default for the media server. And then in the upper right, I can add any of these. So I can add a new media server, new transcription server, new LDAP server, or new single sign-on configuration. And that's the user group right to access the servers and services section of the settings.